Okay, I'm recording. Oh, he's already down there. Abby, go get it! Go get it!
Get your chicken! Get that chicken, Abby, get it! Run, John, run! Oh.
Abby dropped it.
Where's the chicken?
Where is he? Oh.
Where's that chicken? There it is, Abby. John, get it from Abby. Go get it from Abby.
It's okay. Go get it. It's okay. Daddy's gonna get. Oh, look, look. Oh.
We lost it.
I can't see you because of the windows. You're gonna have to shut that.
Go, John, go.
Go, John.
Here, I'll hold the milk.
Okay, go.
Good throw, buddy. Where'd he go?
He went to our room. Say hi.
Well, we lost both the chicken legs in a matter of about 20 minutes. We lost the first one, and the second one came off also.
And this is Abby's second chicken. Where is she?
You got one in your mouth and you're supposed to hold both. She's like, I like chicken legs. Watch. Oh! Get it, John. John, look, Abby, look. Look, Abby,
Abby,
John.
look. This way. Abby, go get it. Go get it. No, look down there.
John has it.
Abby, go.
Get it, Abby, get it. Oh, here they come. Make way. Make way for silly people and dogs.
I'm not very good at this video recording thing. Really, John? You're just gonna stop? Sit down?
Bye-bye.
Oh! Abby, he got it!
Get it, Abby, get it, get it.
John, I think you need to calm down, buddy.
Yeah, we should probably quit running for just a few minutes.
Yeah.
Alright, bye-bye.